Tropical Storm Fiona is on the move, taking aim at the Caribbean with winds reaching 50 miles per hour. Thanks so much for joining us live from downtown Raleigh. I'm Lauren Johnson.
And I'm Joel Brown in for Steve Daniels tonight. It is still too early to tell if Fiona will have any impact here on North Carolina, but Chief Meteorologist Don Schwenniger keeping a close eye on Fiona's latest track. Don, the 5 o'clock update just in from the NHC.
Yeah, and it's actually strengthened from 50 to 60 miles an hour now. Gusts going to 70 miles an hour, moving west at 14 miles per hour. So let's take a look at the latest path from the National Hurricane Center. Really not changing that much in this update. You can see by Sunday it crosses Puerto Rico, possibly as a tropical storm. That's good news. It won't be a big major hurricane. Still, though, a tropical storm that will work its way up into the Caribbean. Now, if we look at the models, there's over a 2,000-mile spread between different models and their solutions. If this thing strengthens earlier, it will pull up into the Atlantic. If it stays weak as it crosses Puerto Rico and some of the islands in there, it would take it more toward the Gulf of Mexico. So we really have to wait and see. That's why the models are pretty tightly packed through Puerto Rico, and then they just go all over the place. We have to see what the strength of this thing is. Now, our wave model actually shows it strengthening once it passes Puerto Rico. And watch what happens right here. It gets really strong on the north side of Puerto Rico, and then because it strengthens, what we say strengthen would pull it up into the North Atlantic. That's what it does, and it takes it up toward Bermuda. That's only one of literally dozens of solutions. So we will have to wait and see as we get closer. Middle part of next week, we'll have a much better idea where this thing's headed. Live look into Box Yard tonight, 83 degrees, packed out there under a partly cloudy sky. If you're headed out to eat tonight, a great night for dining outside. Those numbers falling through the 70s. We'll talk about the clear skies and warmer temps headed in your First Alert 7-day forecast coming up.